Hi, this is Mike Everett with the Real Estate Negotiation Institute with another expert tip. Today, my topic is information. Kevin Hogan, in his book, The Science of Influence, said that without having excellent intelligence, you have little chance of being persuasive beyond random luck. And so I'd like to talk to you today about how to get out of the random luck mode and into the success mode in terms of the information that you gather. I'd like to do that by talking about three different kinds of information. The first kind is observable information, and this is information that we take in with our senses. We all observe things like home condition, with the neighborhood and the amenities, the things that are going to make a difference to our client. These are all things that we pick up with our senses and that we observe on a regular basis. We can also observe the negotiation style, whether it's with our client or whether it is the counterpart on the other side. Observable information is all around us. We take this in every single day. The second kind of information I want to talk to you about is available information. Again, in real estate, we deal with this all of the time. This is our MLS data. This is the public tax records, mortgage information, things that we can learn on social media and on the internet. A whole world of available information is out there for us to take advantage of. But the most important kind that makes the biggest difference in negotiation is discoverable information. Now, if you look at the list over here, it's the buyers and sellers' primary needs. What are their primary interests? What about their motivations? What's causing them to buy or sell the home? What about the contract terms that we're going to need to implement in order to match up with the needs on both sides to get a win-win agreement? Also, are there any imperatives that may be involved in the decision-making that our clients or the other side is having to make? All of this information, discoverable information, is what you find out through the process of asking questions. This is information that's out there, but we don't know about it. Therefore, we have to discover it. So when discoverable information, you want to make sure that you ask great questions. You want to plan your information needs ahead of time at the beginning of your negotiation. Write down the questions that you want to ask, rehearse those, and get great information on behalf of you and your client for great results. Yeah, this is Mike Everett with the Real Estate Negotiation Institute with another expert tip. Thanks for joining me. And while you're here, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.